Hey dolls, what's up? It's your girl Diva and welcome back to the House of Glam. So, did you shop the recent Sephora sale? Or, do you know about Boxy Charm? Have you been on the rock and don't know about Boxy Charm? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to fill you guys in on what I got from the recent Sephora sale. And if you've never heard about Boxy Charm, you're going to hear about it today. I'm bringing it back, guys, so get ready. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so welcome back to the House of Glam. So this month, I'm about to tell y'all about Sephora Play. I haven't bought that in forever, and I thought they were getting rid of it. Comment down below and let me know if y'all guys, if some of you still have Sephora Play, because I discontinued my subscription because it's samples. I got tired of having all the samples, and it was bananas. So we're gonna talk about this month's Boxy Charm and what I got from Sephora. So we'll dive into Sephora because it's really just 3 items in the box. Sephora just had their welcome back coupon sale, which was 20 off of $100 or more, or 15 off of $75. I probably was close in the realm. I think I got 15 off, or I got 20 off. I don't even know, child. It's probably in my phone, and my phone isn't close by. But I got 3 things from the sale. I probably could have got a whole lot more. There were some new Fenty items that came out, and I just wasn't sure if I really wanted them. And when I reflect back, I should have got the mascara because I still wanted the Merlot mascara, but we're going to dive in. So, the first item that I got is from Too Faced, and this is their Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. So y'all are going to wonder why did I get one of these when you see my Boxy Charm box. But this is a lighter color. This is in the shade Butterscotch. I got it to do my under eye highlight. So this is what it looks like, and it's very, very light, if y'all can tell from the bottle. I kind of like my highlight a little bright, just a little bit. So I got that, and of course, because I was out of fun, thanks to my coworker, she had an extra one she wasn't using. So I have one. But I got this to kind of do my under eye eyebrow highlight when I sculpt that out and everything. So this sells for $29, and of course I got this on sale. The next thing I got is a new item, and I was meaning to bring you guys this when I did my Fenty, but I bought the stuff from Fenty Skin. So this is the new Born This Way matte foundation. It's a 24-hour undetectable super long foundation. I got it in my shade, which is Chai. This is probably gonna last me a long time because, let me see if I can reach it. The last time Sephora had a sale, I bought the Born This Way medium to full coverage foundation. This one is $39 in the shade Chai. The difference in price is all of $1. This is $40. You get 1 fluid ounce, so it's the same amount of ounces, just this bottle is a lot thinner. It is very much like the concealer. So I wanted to give this a try because you guys know I love a good matte foundation. So I got this as a part of the sale. And then the last item I got, Fenty, she released Underdog in a liquid lipstick, and from what I was made to understand, it was part of a whole nother collection. I guess it was a part of minis. I never bought the minis, so got the full size. So I thought this would be bomb for the fall. It's a burgundy shade, hence when I said I should have got the Merlot mascara, because she came out with 2 mini size mascaras, one in Merlot, the other one was like a forest green color, kind of to go along with the 2 snap palettes that she came out with. One was a green kind of story, the other one was a burgundy kind of story. I haven't bought any of her snap palettes because some of the shades in them I can find in a whole bunch of my other palettes. I do have some Fenty palettes, so I think I have 2. So didn't want to invest in those, but this is what I got from the Sephora welcome back sale. If you guys missed out, I think normally Sephora does it anyway in the year, and I think this just was a great way to kind of get people to come back in the stores. You could have used it in the stores as many times as you wanted and one time online. So that's everything I got from Sephora. Let's dive into this month's BoxyCharm. Alright guys, so we're going to dive into BoxyCharm. So if you've never seen any of my subscription box Mondays, you've been under a rock, you haven't followed me on my social media, then you've been missing out, because I've been showing all of my previous boxes over on my Instagram channel. It's been a minute since I've done a subscription box Monday. But let me introduce to you guys BoxyCharm if you have never heard about BoxyCharm. So it is a monthly subscription that is $25. You're going to get 5 to 6 full-size items. When I tell you, before all these fabulous releases, I hadn't bought makeup in months. BoxyCharm was definitely filling up everywhere for me. Like, I have overflow of stuff from BoxyCharm that I just put in my IKEA drawer. So yeah, $25 a month. You only have to pay the taxes for the city or state that you live in, and you get 5 to 6 full-size items. This is perfect for that newbie who wants to try out all the high-end stuff but doesn't want to spend the high-end dollars, because one of the items in this box will pay for your whole month subscription. So let's dive in and see what I got this month. And let me tell you guys, I was so excited about what I got in my box, just seeing other people's videos, seeing people post their boxes on Instagram. Left me really excited, and I was very hopeful that I would get some of the things that I saw in their videos or their posts. One of the items I knew I was going to get, because with BoxyCharm, if you are a charmer, whether you are a regular charmer, a premium, or for Luxy, you get to pick out one item that you know is going to show up in your box. It could be anything from skincare to makeup. So one of the items that I picked, I know, and we'll explain later. So the first item I'm going to dial out and let you guys know, this month is all about glamping. In your box, you will get your card that'll tell you about all the items in your box and the cost of each item, so you'll know exactly how much everything was that went into your box. So the first item in my box is from Morphe. Now this is their, I got the brush set. It is $12 for 4 pieces. You get a oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending crease brush, tapered mini blender brush, say that 10 times fast, and then an angled liner brush. So I love Morphe brushes. I have a bunch in my collection. If you guys saw what I got in my haul from while I was MIA, I got a bunch of brushes from Morphe. I got the brush set from the Coca-Cola collection, and then I just have individual brushes that I bought on my own from Ulta, and hopefully eventually I'll get to the actual Morphe store, because we do have one here in Atlanta. So this is the 4-piece set. So these are going to be great to add. Can never have too many eye brushes, especially when you want to create a bomb look. So I can never have too many brushes, and I just washed all of my brushes the other day. So the next item I'm going to pull out is from Clarins, and I don't have anything from them, but this is their Velvet Lip Protector. This retails for $26. It's in the shade 01, which is Velvet Nude. I'm going to take this out the box and show you. So it comes in a tube just like that, and it has one of those kind of soft brush tip applicators at the tip, if you guys can see that. So I'm not going to swatch this, but I may come back and do it in a Lip Candy Monday for you guys. Yes, I'm bringing back Lip Candy Mondays, so you guys can see all the new lippies that I have. And yeah, I kind of need to wear them. I haven't been because of mask. Like, mask just kind of canceled out gloss and lipstick. Especially lipstick that comes off. The next item I'm going to pull out is the item that I picked. And like, Diva, you already have one from the last box. Well, this shade is a little different. So this is the Born This Way, again, Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. This is $29, and I got it in the shade Chestnut. So I knew what this shade looked like because I had one. I think I threw out the container from before. But now looking at it, this is not as dark as I thought it was, especially when I opened the box. So this is going to be what I should highlight with, that's just me being extra with the butterscotch. So of course I'll be mixing the two of these, and this will go a long way. I did not get the shades to contour with when I ordered from Sephora because I have a Fenty matchstick and espresso that I use to contour with, and that's my fave. But this is $29. The next item basically paid for the box, and this is a company I've never heard of, but it's Rockin' Cosmetics Big Fat Liner. It says, always start your eye look with your big fat liner, and you can be as bold as you want, be creative, and experiment with different shapes. This retailed for $25. This is definitely a fat liner. I'm not going to open this because, of course, you know, when you open things, the shelf life kind of begins. And I have some other eyeliner pens that I love to use. My fave has been one that I got in a Boxy Charm box, and I'm still using it, and it's my Haas Laboratories. It's the Lady Gaga line. This was $19, I believe. And of course I have the Patrick Star one that I got in his collection that is exclusively at Sephora, and One Size Beauty. They're about the same price. So these I think I will keep in my collection, and I do have a Fenty one. Don't ask. I'm like ride or die Fenty for Riri. Supporting black business, of course. The next item and the last item in my box that I'm very excited about, the Violet Voss Essentials 2, which is so funny because what's on my eyes today is the Violet Voss Essentials palette, which I already own right here. So now I have number 2. I'm so super duper excited because the colors in here look super duper pretty. I opened this one up too. Again, I don't need any more eye palettes, but Boxy Charm kind of keeps me in the new for certain palettes that I normally wouldn't spend my money on. So this palette sells for $36. I kind of been introduced to Violet Voss through Boxy Charm. I know about it just from watching it on other YouTubers, but this is the palette. Oh my gosh, the shades are super duper gorgeous. When I'm telling you, like this blue sky shade, this wild orchid, blue violet, this aqua is a shimmer. So you get a mixture of shimmers and mattes. I believe there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 4 mattes, and the rest are kind of a shimmer. So I can't wait to use this. It's a 10 color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. So this is absolutely gorgeous. These 10 eyeshadow pans are pure bliss. Provide all everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up your look. Isn't that, look at the color on the palette. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's that pink into purple and then blue. And y'all know blue is my favorite color, but I love the combination of purple, pink, purple, and blue. If y'all hadn't been able to tell from one of my units. So this, I can't wait to try this out. And of course it has some neutrals. This chocolate brown looks gorgeous. Rose gold is real pretty. I've been into rose golds of lately. Just for like pretty pink kind of looks. So yeah, this is everything that was in this month's Boxy Charm box, and I am very, very excited. So guys, if you have any questions about anything you saw here in the video, whether it was my Boxy Charm box and you need more details, which I don't know how many more details I could possibly give you guys. $25 for 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size items, not samples, not swatches, like full-size items. $25. And this basically paid for the whole box. If you want to be even more technical, I think the item that I got from Clarins actually paid for the whole box and covered my shipping. Not my shipping, my taxes. So that, or the Born This Way Too Faced, well, that covered a little bit more. But it is well worth it. So If you could tell from the top of the box, it has their social media at Boxy Charm, which is on Instagram, and then you can use #Boxy Charm and follow them on Twitter. This month's box, like I said, was their glamping box, and the hashtag for this is Rockings Glamping. I don't know that I'll ever go camping, so yeah, glamping would have to be it. It has to be comfortable. I don't like the outdoors. I don't like my sleeping on the ground in a tent. Give me like a camper or like a cute cabin, so I can be cute, rock my makeup, of course, and not have to rough it. So yeah, that's everything, guys. So like I said, if you have any questions about any of the things that you saw in today's video, comment down below. Let me know what variation of your Boxy Charm box that you got. I'd love to see your videos or even see your Instagram posts, so tag me to those. You can go follow me at Makeup by Diva 21. If you are new to the House of Glam TV, welcome. Thank you guys so much for rocking out with me, coming into my home and just chilling with me. If you want, and you should, why wouldn't you, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. This way you don't miss out anything here at the House of Glam TV. So my older book goodie dolls, thank you guys for always rocking with me and supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. And I'm about to get out of here, so you all know what to do. Y'all stay fab, because you know your girl is too. Remember to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay safe. Let's all help protect each other so we can get rid of this virus, because I'm really ready to go out and have a good time. See y'all in my next one. Bye.